Yes, good morning, dear children. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Now, as you know that
Must.
our total syllabus of 9th class is completed from today onwards. Again, we are going to revise all the things very minutely. That is our chapter 1, motion. See that? Again, chapter motion. Here we are going to see, dear children, what is that? Open your classwork copy and see that. What do you mean by motion here?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, motion means
It
displacement.
means movement. So motion of an object when its position changes continuously with the respect of some stationary object.
Very good, very good. अभिदित्य किसने दिया?
Ankit.
Ankit, very good. So write down again. Motion means movement. लिखो motion means movement. And motion when its position changes, when its position changes, when its position changes continuously, when its position changes continuously with respect to some stationary object, with respect to some stationary object, some stationary object here. Write down when its position changes continuously with respect to some stationary object. This is called motion. जैसे suppose that I am stationary and you are moving here and there. So I can say, my dear children, that when one body is stationary and other is moving, like me, I am moving, you are stationary. This is called movement. What is it called?
Movement.
लिख लो. Again you can write here. This is called movement. Okay. So this motion, when one body is at rest and another body is moving, that is also called relative motion. That is also called relative motion. State of rest and motion. देखो, state of rest and motion. State of rest and motion are relative only. Are relative only. State of rest and motion are relative only. Okay? बच्चों,
Yes, sir.
today we are going to differentiate two main terms about this chapter. That is distance and displacement. That we have learned earlier, but again we are revised. Distance and displacement. And displacement. Here. This is the distance and displacement. We can write here. What do you mean by distance? I am moving from here, going like this 5 feet, then again turn back 5 feet, then again turn back 5 feet, then again turn back 5 feet. 5 feet going in this direction, then come back, then going this direction, then come back. The total distance covered by me, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 4 times. Suppose I am moving from A to B, 5 feet, then turn back 5 feet, then again turn back 5 feet, then again turn back 5 feet. 4 times I am going in here and there. The actual distance, the total path length covered by me is 20 feet. That is called distance. That is called,
Distance.
लिख लो. What is distance? A distance traveled by an object.
Sir,
Distance traveled by an object. It is a distance traveled by an object. Traveled by an object. Distance traveled by an object is the length of actual path. Is the length of actual path. It is the length of actual path. Distance traveled by an object is the length of actual path. Okay, write down. This is the length of actual path by the object. Length of actual path by the object during motion. During motion. Length of actual path traveled by an object. It is the length of actual path during motion. Write down this definition again. Now, distance is a scalar quantity. Here, the distance is a scalar quantity. What does it mean, sir? What is the meaning of scalar quantity here?
So it's only
Which
have,
not the direction.
magnitude?
Very good. लिख लो.
it's only have its magnitude.
Are those quantity, scalar quantity, are those quantity which have only magnitude, which have only magnitude, which have only magnitude, not direction, which have only magnitude, not direction. Distance is a scalar quantity which have only magnitude, not direction. लिखो, it has only magnitude and not direction. Write down. Okay, why is that of displacement? Suppose, my dear children, I am moving from here. This is my starting point. I am coming over here, say 5 feet, then turn back again 5 feet and get again the same position. It is starting position. Again I come back here. Suppose if I start from the point
So
A,
displacement is 0.
reaches the point B,
Sir, it's 0.
yes, and again turn
Sir,
back.
0
So displacement here it is 0.
is
it's
0.
Very good, very good. All you are very, very intelligent. So Liko, what do you mean by displacement? Write down the definition here.
It is the
What is the
shortest.
definition of displacement?
So it is the shortest path covered by an object.
It is the shortest
It
distance.
is the shortest
It is the shortest
between
distance.
initial and final position.
Yes. It is the shortest distance.
Between
It is the shortest distance between the initial position. Shortest distance between the initial position.
And final position.
Between the initial position and final position. Initial position and final position. Shortest distance between the initial position and final position. And final position. लिखो बच्चों. Displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. लिखो displacement is a vector quantity. What do you mean by vector quantity, sir? Here,
Sir, both
Which
magnitude and
sir,
Both
magnitude and direction.
and
very
direction.
good,
both
very
magnitude
good.
and direction.
तो लिखो vector quantity are those quantity. Vector quantity are those quantity which have magnitude
Both magnitude
as well as
magnitude and
direction.
direction.
Which have magnitude as well as direction. Which have magnitude as well as direction. So displacement, we are taking one more example to differentiate in between distance and displacement. Here. Now, see that. Dear children, distance traveled by an object, लिखो distance traveled by an object, distance traveled by an object can never be zero, can never be zero, and nor negative. डिस्टेंस कभी भी जीरो नहीं हो सकता बच्चों. डिस्टेंस कैन नेवर बी जीरो नॉर नेगेटिव, बट द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज पॉजिटिव
And
And
zero.
negative and zero.
Sir, zero.
And sir,
But
negative.
not negative.
अब एक एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं हम यहाँ पर. When the displacement will become positive, when it will be zero, and when it will be negative. Okay, so you see me. Look at to me. I am here, say. I am going here 2 feet. Okay, then again turn back
Yes, sir.
2 feet. 2 feet. I am going from east to west, then again west to east. The displacement at that time would be
It's the zero.
0. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
if I am going in this direction, say 2 feet, then again turn back 3 feet. 2 feet idhar gaya east to west, and then turn back 3 feet. So I am going here in this direction 2 feet and turn back here 3 feet.
Negative. It's
Negative. Very good.
Negative.
Sir, negative.
और इधर हम 2 गए और इधर हम 3 आए, तो 2 minus 3 that is equal to -1.
Yes, sir, negative.
That is equal to -1. Okay. So this is called negative displacement. अगर मैं यहां से 2 फीट गया फिर 1 फीट और गया, the
Sir,
total
positive.
distance 3 feet and total displacement also. Total displacement also 3 feet. This is called positive displacement. This is called, bolo,
positive displacement.
Sir,
okay,
positive
we can
displacement.
differentiate distance and displacement in this manner. लिख लो. Write down here. Distance and displacement.
Okay.
Now, we take one more example. Here. Here, suppose that an object is moving in a circle. Here. An object is moving in a circle of radius r. an object is moving in a circle of radius r, calculate the distance and displacement. Calculate the distance and displacement. What is that? When it completes half the circle. First case हम कर रहे हैं. When it completes half the circle. Here. I mean to say that body starts from point A and going to point B only. If the body is going from A to B only, my problem is
This
what is the distance and what is the displacement?
distance is equal to
Distance is equal to half of the
Listen me only.
Displacement.
Object completes half the
distance is
circle
equal
from
to
A
pi
B.
r. Displacement is equal
Again,
to
listen
2r.
me.
Distance pi
Not to
r.
speak in between. If I ask, then give the answer. When we are moving half the circle, the distance जो आएगा बच्चों, it is half the circumference of the circle. लिखो half the circumference of the circle. What is the distance covered here? Half the circumference of the circle. What is the formula for the circumference of the circle?
Sir, 2 pi r.
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
1 by 2 into 2 pi r. 2 से 2 cancel हो गया. That is pi
Pi
r.
r.
Here.
Pi r.
Okay. This
Yes,
is the
sir.
distance
Yes, sir.
covered by the object. लिखो. This is the distance covered by the object. Now, what is the displacement here? What is the displacement here? देखिए यहां से गया, it is the starting position and here is the ending position. I know the definition of displacement. It is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position of the object. So here the distance from center O to A is R. The distance from center O to B is R. तो लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पर. First you write down this. Have you written this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, the displacement here it is. Here we are
So
going to
2r.
find out the displacement. What is that?
2 hours.
Displacement is R plus R.
Diameter.
2R. लिखने का तरीका आना चाहिए. How you are going to calculate? The total distance cover displacement here it is 2R. Now, the another part of this question, write down first. Write down this. When it completes cycle, when in the second part of this, when the object completes one full circle, when the object completes one full circle, at that time, what is the distance? Here I am going to calculate.
2 pi
Sir,
r.
2 pi r. Sir, 2 pi r.
2 pi r.
How it comes? Why the 2 pi r? Tell me.
Sir,
Explain it.
The
The
circumference of
circumference of
circle.
circle. The
Yes, तो लिखो
circumference of circle.
the distance, लिखिए आप, distance covered by the object, distance covered by the object is the circumference of the circle. It is the distance covered by the object is the circumference of the circle. Or we know very well the formula for the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r.
Pi r.
Okay, write down here. Distance is equal to circumference of the circle, and circumference of the circle here it is, that is 2 pi r. Now, when it completes one full circle and coming back to a point A, and coming back to a point A here, then
Sir,
the
zero.
displacement is
So displacement is
Sir,
0.
zero.
0. Very good, right answer. लिख लो. Displacement is displacement is 0 here. अब मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन करने के लिए दूंगा अभी. You solve it. इसको लिख लो पहले. Write down this. Yes. Write down the question here. A particle moves 3 meter north. लिखो, a particle moves 3 meter north. A particle moves 3 meter north, then 4 meter east. Then 4 meter east. And finally 6 meter south. And finally 6 meter south. Calculate the distance traveled and the displacement. This is the question for you. Again I am telling, I am going just hint for you. Here suppose say east, west, north and south. Initially a particle moves 3 meter north. Here say starting point is O, here it is 3 meter. Then 4 meter east, say here is 4 meter at B. Then finally 6 meter south, say here 6 meter. Here is 3 meter, here is 4 meter and the here is 6 meter. C. Okay?
Sir, distance is 13 meters.
Yes. Don't ask Abir. Don't give the answer. This question for your today. Do it up to your level. If we have any kind of problem, then we can ask to our Puri sir. Okay?
Yes.
Or बोलिए, if it is any problem regarding today's article, then you may ask. Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.